First and foremost, Happy New Year to all of you. I hope your new year has started off to a great and amazing start. In today's video, I just wanted to come in and share a living room tour with you guys just to show you what the living room is looking like with all the Christmas decor gone, organized and clean. This is again what the space is looking like for now. I do have plans on changing some things up, changing out some colors, but that'll be in a later video. Of course, turn your post notifications on so that you'll be notified every time I post and upload a video. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Brittany, and the name of my channel is B.Nicole Interior Decor. To all of my existing subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I do have so much in store for you all in 2024. So make sure your post notification bell is on so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. I know I say this all the time. Please like the video. It really helps out my channel. It gets my videos to circulate more, get it more in the algorithm or whatever. Also, if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. Come be a part of my growing YouTube family. It's greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated. Without further ado, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can leave me a comment down in the comment section. I would love to chat with you guys.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. For the both of us, I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry no, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry no, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
I hope that you found some inspiration or some motivation in this video. Always keep God first and be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.